Hello from Sälstationen, or in English, the seal station. Yep, there are potentially some seals in this area of sea over here. And yes, I'm out on a Sunday cycling adventure, 35 kilometers from my home to this place. And yes, this place has a historic background, as it was used during the Second World War to train seals that were part of the Navy in purpose to hit down mines and submarines. And yes, you can see that. And up until at 1940 it was forbidden to take any photographs or to enter this station, and it was called Sälstastionen Palmen, so it was a discovery to see how the seals can be trained, and it was called Palmen. And yes, now this is actually a hotel and glamping over here, so only short visits are allowed by the people. And yes, let's see if we will be lucky to spot some seals. I saw some strange movement in the water over there earlier, but I didn't see any seal come up, so let's see if we can see some seals during this video. But yeah, so this is not an ordinary beach, obviously not, but it's out on the Baltic Sea, and I thought to show you, as this is beach day number 143 on my Sweden beach adventures this year, and today is 24th of September, and currently it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is 1:30 p.m. on this wonderful Sunday. So let's explore the sea, the Baltic Sea over here, where they used to train the seals how to be soldiers during the World War II. Okay, let's then take a swim, and I'm gonna be also throwing my water thermometer to check the temperature, and I will also put some goggles on, and if I can be able to spot some of the seals. So let's see. Oh yeah. So yes, the water is a bit chilly, and it's gonna be, I won't last that much longer in this water, to be fair. But we're gonna do our best. Oh, it's 15 degrees Celsius in the water, so the sea is becoming colder and colder as we speak. But yeah, September is still on its way, and we are exploring new beach locations every day still, so that's amazing. So let's then dive in and enjoy, right? Okay, it was actually hard to spot any seals actually, because the water is a bit muddy. we can try to see if some seals we can spot some seals from the coast. But they should be somewhere around here. And I'm gonna be hanging here a bit, and I'm gonna try to film if I saw some, because it's obviously impossible to see seals all the time over here. But yeah, that's a wrap from Sälstastionen, the seal station here in Haninge. Yes, this is in Haninge Municipality. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed this episode from this unusual beach location in Stockholm Region, Sweden. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!